Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on the building of the ATSF Metro. Today I'm going to talk about, this is a continuation of an earlier video on the detailing and lighting of one of my structures. In this case, this is a foreground model, Hattie's Diner. And what I want to do is I want to place some lighting in this so that the windows here in this corner right along here are lit, while the ones in the back here are not. Plus I want lighting down here in the bottom where I'll have details such as seating in the counters. Now right now there is a cardboard light block in here to block out the light on the top and just to make the thing look a little bit better than what it does. That's all going to have to be removed. And I decided to try out the Woodland Scenics just plug lighting kits just to see how these work. I ordered a few items and found out that they're nice, but they are a bit on the pricey side. The first thing I want to show you, let me move this building out of the way here for a second, is the main unit that they have. Now, it comes in a box like this. And then over here, we have the actual unit. This is the just plug controller, which has 4 outputs. One input for the power to come in, and a little jumper here if you want to switch it off and on. The one key thing I like about this, and this is what makes it worthwhile, are these variable resistors. They allow you to adjust the brightness of your LEDs. Now they only give you 4 of them. Oh, pardon me, they only give you 2. So you have half of what you need to fill this bank up. And oh, that's okay. That's for this building over here, I only need 2. So I'll purchase LEDs for another structure nearby and install those. And truthfully, only my foreground models are going to need to be lit up and really nice. The background models are going to get the just the general lighting. So I can almost get away with just 1 light per building on the background models. Okay, in addition to these 2 items, I ordered their paint blocking or a light blocking kit, which comes with just these 2 items. You get some, boy, that glare is pretty bright. You get some masking paint, and you get this, basically it's a gooey tape that you can use to block a light around your building. I'm not going to use the gooey tape to mount a building like they say in the instructions, but I am certainly going to use the masking tape. There's the box it comes in. The masking tape is some pretty good stuff. Masking paint, it is. And it's hard to find a good one, but I'm going to check the consistency of it. And if it's anything like craft paint, I'll tell you why I may be switching it. And finally, we have their so-called light diffuser kit, which is window film. I didn't pull it out because I don't want to damage it. And it comes with this black stuff, and it comes with some white stuff. And you use this film on your windows to diffuse the light. And the black film makes the buildings look dark inside when you hit the lights, when the lights are off. They won't light up from the outside like they do with the others. And that's kind of a nice thing. I like that idea of using that with the window film. And it's one of the few things I think is really worth the money. The other thing is this. This is something that a person could easily build at home. The resistors would require 2 resistors per pot to just substitute out whatever brightness you want, or you could actually use pots. They would, I don't doubt that these limit the current being supplied to this. to keep it from going overboard. Now I use, when I do this, normally I would probably go with a standard toy train type AC power supply, the accessories, and that's what this is designed to run off of. I have just dozens of these things laying around for years, and I might as well make use of one or two of them. However, for, well, I think it's $15 or so, you can buy their plug-in power supply, which is just a, wall transformer. One of the disadvantages to this whole system is the cost. It is high. These DPM kits, you can pick these things up for $10 to $12 or less sometimes. But this, this little device here is about 16 bucks. Each of the other two is $12 or $15, whatever. So you're looking at real close to $45 investment initially just to get into it. And it's going to cost you for every building you put up. Although once you have some of it, the costs go down drastically. But still, it is an investment, and you could theoretically just build everything from components. The nice thing about this is it takes out all the headache. Apparently you just stick it all in and plug it in and you're set to go. And we'll find out. When I get this, get ready to install this into the building, I'll post another video and we shall see how it works. I'm looking forward to it though. I've seen some really good results online, especially on the Woodland Scenics site. We'll see if their product works as well as they claim. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hope to see you again soon.